Hi all and welcome back to another one of my videos. So I very impulsively bought another Gucci belt bag. From my last video, I tried the Gucci Kids leather bag because I wanted a leather Gucci belt bag that wasn't really expensive, and I already have the Gucci jumbo belt bag, but it's a canvas material. So I wanted leather and I wanted something that was on the darker side. So anyway, I bought this as pre-loved. I was browsing and then I saw it and it was a really good price. So I thought, okay, I can't not buy it. However, I didn't realize, so this is the Gucci Coco Captain leather belt bag in black. I actually wanted the white one because I've seen some videos on YouTube of other people that have the white one, but then I saw the black and I thought, do you know what, just it's available, it's a good price, it's very good condition, I'm just going to buy it. So I bought it, it arrived, it didn't have, so it was authenticated, it didn't have the box unfortunately or the dust bag, which is fine because it was a good price and it doesn't really matter. But I didn't realize this comes in small or large. So I actually thought this was large and it is not. So it arrived smaller. Silly me, I didn't actually check the measurements. I just assumed it was the large one. So I was like, yeah, amazing price. Anyway, so I get it and it's actually the small one. I'm looking on eBay and other websites and I'm thinking actually the price was still really, really good. I think I'm actually going to keep it and add it to my collection. So I'm just going to tell you about it. So this is amazing condition. So it's all leather. There's no pocket at the back. It is, oh, I've got it twisted. So let's untwist it. It's got the same strap as my jumbo Gucci belt bag. So it's great. It's got lovely gold detailing here. It's got the plastic buckle, but it's more sturdy than the Gucci Kids one. It's got leather detail here. It's got the zip which says Gucci on it, and then this, so it's perfect. It's got Gucci imprinted. I didn't want it to be too out there. I thought, oh, I hope it's not too out there, but actually it's really nice and I think it goes well with the black. It makes it quite classy. So my plan is to wear this as a belt bag. I think it's 90 by the way, because it's quite small. And I will show you after. I wore it today for the first time as a belt bag. It's great because it can fit as a belt around my jeans and as a bag. So the only thing is sometimes I like to wear leggings, and I find sometimes with leggings the bigger bags tend to go better around the waist because you're wearing something really tight, whereas this, I'm not sure how it would look with leggings. I'll have to try it, but I've got jeans on today and I find that actually it goes really well with jeans, especially like mum style jeans. You can wear it across the body as well, but I found that it's quite tight because of it's quite small. So I'll show you that after as well. And you can wear it across, let me just get my hair out the way. So you can actually wear it like this too, and it doesn't look too bad actually. I think it looked quite cute. So obviously I'd tighten it a bit more, but I think it's really cute. And I think this is a really good bag for holidays where you don't want to worry about staining any material. Leather is wipeable. I wouldn't wear it in the rain unless I've got like an oversized coat that's covering it. But I think it's great to bring on holiday because it's so small. You can just bring it if you just want to bring a few things. It fits the phone, everyone. It fits my phone. So that's the main thing. It fits my phone. So I'm actually going to keep it. So I will show you now around my waist. A moment across my waist. So I've got it on quite tight. I probably could do it being a bit tighter. I struggle to find belt bags that actually look good with jeans. I find that the bulky ones just look really oversized on me because I'm quite petite and because I do wear it around my waist. So this one is actually great. I love that it's leather, it's comfortable, it's still quite flexible. And what I do like about it, so I've actually hooked it around through the belt hooks, and I've still got 2 more belt hooks here. So however, it can't actually fit, it would be squashed. So what I did is I've just left these 2 and put it around. So from the back, it looks like I'm actually wearing the Gucci belt, but from the front, it's actually a bag. So I feel like it's quite good because I've got a belt, but it's a bag. I wore it today for the first time. It is quite small, so I wasn't sure whether it was too small. It does fit a few things in. So at the moment I've got my Louis Vuitton coin card holder, a lip balm, my Dior lip maximizer because You know, you never know. Sometimes you don't want a lip gloss because of the sticky lips, and sometimes you just want more like a lip balm. So basically I'm carrying them with me. So I've got these two, and then my phone, which I'm recording on. I've got quite a big phone. The phone does fit, so that's the main thing. And I always say with a bag, and you can see from some of my other videos, as long as my phone fits the bag, I'm okay. So this fits my phone, which is great, but then not much else would fit. So I probably have room maybe for, so I wouldn't be able to fit my keys in if I've got my phone in here. So if I have my phone out, or maybe in my jeans pocket, or with another bag, or me, it's fine. Phone and all of this slot in, it doesn't fit the keys. I could probably take the keys out that I need and slide it in. Show you wearing it a different way. Now to one of the tightest point, the loosest points. I always like with belt bags that I want the option to wear it across the body. Also, actually, so I've loosened it. I think it actually looks really nice across the body. So this is my latest addition to my belt bag collection. I'm really happy with it. It's pre-loved and I'm really glad that I've got it. And now I actually want it in white, so I'll probably get the white one that's larger. Thanks for watching. Any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you have any other suggestions for any Gucci belt bags or bum bags, please let me know.